destiny. Destiny. People wanted to steal that betting. I want to pay y'all. On your G. On the why can't the governor say something? If you can't even be an amigo. Me and amigo ya clote, me a clote. Even winner. Government nobody have to talk. Awa gwali beka mami beka. Awa wojira redo. Awa we agbon wa. Why we not tedo? Is do families constitute that nuisance? They are constituting a nuisance. A nuisance, no war. They are nothing before God. Okay, watota. All these things no sununa. Baya ti takole. Nimia mania nimia ya lagoda we go no bere Paris. On we no look one. Why we not give here one wa me different color? Won't dagmon. Understand Anya. I thought the supposed not fly anywhere.
I thought it's supposed to be a kayak. Give me no man.
Nothing.
Look up to her. She's nuisance.
What in nuisance way France ba? Anybody know anybody wa Izua. I say we I say we ba do away.
Oh, and then you would be. It's not a bad man. You know how was so many stop.
What me ba ni won we no tie e gwa tie eni keke gwa tie we no tie be wa okay. I want to talk to you. Send me your number. Hello,
everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today now about Eddy and Izua and his daughter. While I be like bicycle, my people not be smarty. That is the one with the shockalize me now. Be say one of Izua daughter, what they call Ojebetu. That one now don't fall out for Eddy. Say enough is enough. They don't feel they are alive. Make Eddy they insult their papa again. While I be like bicycle, my people. This one a family matter before. Me I not can understand. Why it can't be say social media these days, Now family and family like on they fight each other for social media. Not be the way social media be before now, so it be now again. Everything don't change, my people. Not be smarty. I said they talk to Nana Eddy and the woman whether they call Shebetu. And it's okay now, all of them now they fight each other, not be small thing. This thing just shockalize me. One advice me I still get for a pa Eddy be say, where person for marry, you don't they insult that family, especially for live video like this. Although I know say a pa or Izua see do some kind of things that day, that time where be say you can't go the swear for your enemy children. I know say that anger see the pa might do not understand. I know say that anger see the a power mind. So what me go see tell a pa Eddy may we just give one person wrong. May we not be say you will consider do the same thing. You understand? Now your in-law, You understand that really? Because if you can say maybe they turn back to her, people will say you they disrespect and now your own people go see. Because if anyone not married, we a good way. So the thing get a beef, it can't they insult the man. You understand? The thing gets as it be, my brother. So a pa Eddy I beg. You be nice man, you be nice person. Just stop to the insult the man. Because now where you for marry, it get as it be. You understand? It get as it be, my brother. I use God where they even say beg you. I beg. Why we very on eggy go one? if you dey insult am like that, e get as e be. You understand? I don't say it's okay. The verse for your papa not be small. She dey read the verse not be small, but what to do? You have to still forgive and still your pa. Not allow your husband to come out the insult your pa. E get as e be, eh? Really, eh? The truth have to be said, eh? E get as e be, my sister, oh. The whole world now they wash am, oh. Hey, person when you don't insult, how you take care of your face, you go meet am again. E get as e be. So my darling, for me, I put the video where pa Eddy talk say. Bob Izua. Now he carry. I don't know if you talk that one. Shall make I put the video more na see.
Expect destiny. Expect destiny. Kapopo wanted to steal that betting. I want to pay yo. On your G. On the egg Bob Izua. On the egg Nadun. Why can't the governor say something? If you can't even lay, me an amigo. Me an amigo ya clote. Me a clote. Even winner. Government do nobody have to talk. Awa gwali beka mami beka. Awa wo jira do. Awa we agbon wa. Gwa we no ta do. Is do families constitute that nuisance. They are constituting a nuisance. A nuisance, no war. They are nothing before God. Okay, watota. All these things no sununa. Baya ti takole. Nimia mania nimia ya lagoda we. We go no bere Paris. On we no du kono wa. Why we no vivre here one me different color. Won't dagmon. Understand Anya. I thought the supposed no fly anywhere.
I thought it's supposed to be a kayak.
Nothing.
Look up to her. She's nuisance.
Why he nuisance for France? Anybody know anybody wa be Bob Izua? I say we I say we ba do away.
Oh, my name is Eddy. So I bear my name. You know how was so my stop.
What me ba ni won we no tie e gwa tie eni keke gwa tie we no tie be wa okay I want to talk to you, send me your number. Oma e gwa tie except my dog we are not joining me ko Jesus self. Only I teach English. Don't you marry someone with carry your academy? These are nonsense.
What do you expect? Getting over the message. I'm barely getting out your message. And you are feeling like any disgrace.
Disgrace on here. Disgrace. Obis wa we total no we o me dagbon e. No we total no we o isan agbon e. Ya etu gbele ma wa tell you. You know wa gbezesi wa with a negisunu. But my car was a lot where I saw me live video now. Data saw me live video now. Hey, eni aje Tony mie. E Tony de ba wi po we avec apopo. No gbon ani wa zesi wa. O so lo bo wa ma saw me live video. Aize tanya wa Why are you koro? Be na me live video na kwa ba down. Do wa we get na kwa down wa try. Try it. Try no again. Because it's just matter of decency. When I want more audio, when I want a ticket with Mananya, when I want more audio, well, primary school, where was it? Baby, you said, oh, no, we here, he's a fear when I was son. It's a lot fair. e mere la jane wana do mue wana e moto so wicked family wana e moto wana mo adie new ring road wana mo fi to wa
I'm fi store
wana mo fi store e ke na ki cassette e bo ri DSS SS awo na ona ke ya tawe e ka pwepwe ipo wewe wana le tu wana te fi wa re ko ona ya fi wa ogwa ko ina mu ya give obiso awa okay ya fi wa la dia anyway de mi jena la jane eni ma juwa o mi e o de no gbodi to le lori ori wa o de no gbodi o le lori ori wa e ne finance wa ni ne finance e fe wa gege